So today I have this project to share with you using the Spellbinders December 2018 Small Die Kit of the Month. Now this die kit is available today, December 1st, and the cool part about this die kit is that it coordinates with the Spellbinders Large Die Kit of the Month for December 2018. And so that's really great. And what you get in this particular die kit, you're going to get the two circle dies. One of them is scalloped and the other one is regular. You're going to get 3 sentiment dies. One of them is going to say "From all of us." Another one says "Birthday wishes," and another one says "Happy for you." You're also going to get 2 flourish leaf dies, a flower die, and a leaf die. I made several different projects because I wanted to show you the versatility of everything that you could do with just one set of dies. Okay, so here's a card that I created using the "From All of Us" sentiment, and I used the scallop circle and the leaf flourish dies and the flower. And so that one is like so. Let me just open it. It's just a regular card. And here's another card. Over here, basically, what I used was the birthday wishes die. And I used the flourish dies over here, along with a flower and the leaves, and just a couple of sequin. And this right here is actually a Spellbinders washi. Washi, yes. And I don't know if you know this, but Spellbinders does sell washi tape. And so, yeah, I will go ahead and leave you links to all these Spellbinders goodies in the description area below. And to make the tags, I also used a Spellbinders die to make the tags, and I will go ahead and link you to those in the description area below. Now, Spellbinders does have a value clubs page that I will be linking you to, where you can join several different clubs. And when you join more than one club, the savings add up. So this is just a handful of the projects that you can make using the Spellbinders Small Die Kit of the Month. I hope that this inspires you to join the monthly clubs. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you once again real soon. Bye!